Squats are more than just a trendy exercise. They are a foundational movement with a multitude of benefits. Today we dive into the 12 compelling reasons why squats should be a staple in your fitness routine. From full-body workouts to mental toughness, from enhancing digestion to boosting athletic performance, squats prove their worth in an array of ways. By the end of this video, you'll understand why are a non-negotiable part of any fitness routine. If you're enjoying this video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications to stay updated with our latest content. The first reason is that squats are a full-body workout. When you do a squat, you're not just moving your legs. You're engaging multiple muscle groups all at once. Your quadriceps, hamstrings, and calves are doing the heavy lifting, but your core and lower back are also working to stabilize your body. Even your shoulders and arms can get in on the action if you're holding weights. It's a compound exercise that packs a serious punch. So you're not just working your legs, but your entire body. Secondly, squats can help you burn more calories. Here's how it works. The more muscles you work, the more energy your body uses, and thus, the more calories you burn. Squats are a compound exercise, meaning they work multiple muscle groups at once. This makes them a much more efficient calorie burner than isolated exercises that only target one muscle group. So, if you're looking to shed some pounds or maintain a healthy weight, squats are your go-to exercise. Third reason, squats can improve your flexibility. The simple act of bending and stretching in a squat works wonders for your hip, knee, and ankle flexibility. As you lower your body into a squat and then rise back up, you're effectively engaging a large range of motion. This helps to stretch out your muscles and increase joint flexibility. Not only does this aid in preventing injuries, but it also enhances your overall physical performance. So, squats not only make you stronger, but also more flexible. Fourth reason, squats can strengthen your joints. Now, let's dive into the mechanics of this. When you squat, you're engaging your hips, knees, and ankles all at once. This trifecta of movement helps to fortify these joints, making them more resilient and less prone to injuries. Think of squats like an insurance policy for your joints, helping to keep them healthy and robust for years to come. So, squats are not just about muscles, but also about joint health. Fifth reason, squats can improve your balance and coordination. Squats are a compound movement involving multiple muscle groups and joints. This requires you to balance your body weight, which in turn hones your overall coordination. It's not just about strength, it's about control, precision, and harmonious muscle collaboration. Research by the Journal of Strength and Conditioning Research supports this, stating squats can indeed enhance balance and coordination. So, squats can help you move better in your daily life. Sixth reason, squats can boost your athletic performance. Squats are a powerhouse exercise, working your lower body and core, which are crucial for speed and power. Whether you're a runner looking to increase your pace, or a basketball player aiming for higher jumps, squats can help you get there. A study in the Journal of Strength and Conditioning Research found that squats improved sprint times and vertical jump height. So, squats can make you a better athlete, no matter what sport you play. Seventh reason, squats can enhance your digestion. You might be surprised to learn that the physical motion of squats can help improve your bowel movements. The squatting position applies gentle pressure on your abdominal organs, assisting in the natural elimination process. It's not just an anecdotal claim. A study in the journal Lower Urinary Tract Symptoms supports this, showing squatting can help with constipation. So, squats aren't just about strengthening muscles or burning calories, they're a full-body workout with benefits that extend to your gut. So squats can even aid in your digestion. Eighth reason, squats can improve your posture. When you squat, you're not just working your legs, you're engaging your core and your back. This helps strengthen those muscles that play a key role in keeping your spine aligned and your posture upright. A study from the University of Valencia confirmed that squats are one of the best exercises for strengthening the lower back. So squats can help you stand taller and more confidently. Ninth reason, squats can build your mental toughness. Just like any other exercise, squats demand you to push beyond your comfort zone. As you lower yourself down and then push back up, it's not only your muscles that are working, your mind is too. You're teaching yourself to embrace discomfort, to stay focused under stress, to persevere. This mental strength carries over into other aspects of life, helping you handle challenges with resilience. So squats are as much a mental exercise as they are a physical one. 10th reason, squats can improve your bone density. Now let's talk about that. When you squat, you're doing a weight-bearing exercise. This means you're carrying your weight, and that's beneficial for your bones. How so? Well, weight-bearing exercises stimulate bone formation. This means they can increase your bone density and reduce the risk of osteoporosis. Osteoporosis is a condition that weakens bones, making them fragile and more likely to break. So, squats can contribute to your long-term bone health. 11th reason, squats can increase your endurance. Consistent squatting enhances your muscular endurance. Now, what does this mean? It means your muscles can sustain prolonged periods of exercise without tiring out. This improvement isn't just confined to your gym workouts. It extends to your daily tasks as well. Whether it's climbing stairs, running for the bus, or even carrying groceries, you'll notice a marked improvement. The resilience you gain from squatting translates into your everyday life. So squats can help you perform better and longer in your daily life. 12th reason, squats are convenient and versatile. You can do them at home, in the park, at the gym, basically anywhere. Time constraint? No problem. A quick set of squats can be squeezed into even the busiest schedule. And here's the best part. No equipment, no worries. Squats can be performed with or without weights. Plus, there's a myriad of squat variations to cater to different fitness levels and goals. So no matter where you are or what your fitness level is, you can always do squats. Now that we've covered the 12 reasons why you should start doing squats every day, you can see why they're such an essential part of any fitness routine. Squats provide a comprehensive workout, burn calories, improve flexibility and posture, and strengthen joints. They also enhance digestion, boost athletic performance, build mental toughness, improve bone density, increase endurance, and are convenient and versatile. Remember, squats are not just about building muscles, they're about improving your overall health and fitness. So start doing squats today and reap the benefits.